Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on Ledger Nano X. So in order to sell crypto on Ledger Nano X, it's a very simple process. All you need to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first of all, you need to go ahead and introduce yourself. You need to talk about selling your coin through with their partner Confi. Now right now you can only sell Bitcoin through Ledger Live. Now first of all, you need to open the Ledger Live and connecting your Nano to your computer and unlocking with your PIN. Then check the app install tab to make sure you have a Bitcoin app and an exchange app as well. If either is missing, just go to the app catalog and install it. If the both apps are already installed, click the buy or sell button menu on the left, then click on the sell at the top of the page. Then you'll need to go ahead and choose a crypto asset and select Bitcoin. Then you need to use the second drop down to select the account you wish to sell from and click continue, and then you've just got started with. Now you'll have to go ahead and enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to sell in the top box. As you're doing that, pay attention to the Confi's minimum and maximum range as well, and adjust as you need. Once you've entered your amount, choose the currency you'd like to receive and you'll get a box. And every code is good for 15 minutes as well, and if you go over time, you'll just refresh and do it again. Now if you're creating a new one, then you need to complete a KYC steps and resume the sale once you're verified. If you already have one, then you'll just need to proceed on. Now click the continue button so that they can check your bank account and you've added one if you needed. Once you've added or chosen the bank account, return to your older page. If you're okay with number on the screen, agree to the terms and condition and click the confirm button. That is how you can sell crypto on Ledger Nano X. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.